So hello and welcome to our brand new course in brand new course by techlatest.net, which is Mastering DeepSeek, Llama and other LLMs using Open-WebUI and Ollama. So here you can learn how to run and manage latest LLMs like DeepSeek, Llama locally, privately, security and cost effectively without any vendor lock-in. So basically this course cover Llama, Mistral, Gamma, DeepSeek and Quinn models along with the Open-WebUI as initiative UI to interact with the LLMs and Ollama to install new models as needed. So this is the full practical course. We'll cover everything in deep and also step-by-step guides. Okay, so uh, basically in this lecture we'll talk about like what are the course overview and objectives. So our first lecture is basically about the here you can see the agenda. Basically first we'll cover OpenWebUI, then we will cover overview of Ollama, setup and installation of setup and installation. Why choose techlatest.net setup? Basically will provide pre-configured VM which contains a lot of models, and you can also adjust according to your preference and run AI models. Then setup installation of OpenWebUI with Ollama on AWS, GCP and Azure. Then Ollama command line, how to download and pull new models in OpenWebUI through Ollama. Then how to run multiple models simultaneously. Then LLM API integration, and last its conclusion. Okay, so if you go on techlatest.net website and click on products and support page, here if you search about DeepSeek Llama, DeepSeek Llama and DeepSeek and Llama powered all-in-one LLM suite. So if you click on this VM, so here you can see the step-by-step guide, and there are some benefits of using this VM. So Ollama is a robust platform designed to simplify the management of large language models, LLMs. It provides a streamlined interface for downloading and running fine-tuned models from various vendors, making it easier for developers to build, deploy, and scale AI application. Alongside, the VM is pre-configured with multiple cutting-edge models and allows users to pull and install additional LLMs as needed. Then the LLMs can be utilized via API integration as well as open web UI based initiative chat UI to directly interact with multiple LLMs interactively. To ensure optimal performance, make sure to deploy instance with a minimum specification below or higher. So minimum VM specs is 8 GB VM RAM and 2V CPUs. And what is included in this VM? So basically pre-configured models like DeepSeek, Llama 3.3, Mistral, Gamma 2, then Qwen 2.5, B7, B14, B32, P72 parameters, then Nomic embed text. Then OpenWebUI user-friendly interface. So OpenWebUI offers an intuitive platform for managing LLMs, enhancing user interaction through a chat-like interface. Basically, it is like a chat GPT interface. You can pull the models and you can run models and you can play with models. Then Ollama simplifying model management integration with OpenWebUI real-time capabilities. Then there are some key benefits like privacy first, no vendor lock-in, multi-purpose, no need for expensive GPU instance. And why choose techlatest.net VM offers? So cost and time efficient, seamless API integration, effortless model management, and side-by-side model comparison. So basically, you have nothing to like choose. You have nothing to pull any model. Like there are a lot of pre-configured models. Like here you can see a DeepSeek, Llama, so you can play with these models in if you run this VM, so you can play with these models on OpenWebUI and you can good to go. Then here are some course overview and objectives. So basically we will cover overview of OpenWebUI, then we will cover overview of Ollama, then setup installation by choose techlatest.net setup. Basically there are some points like the pre-configured models, cost and time efficient, then setup installation of OpenWebUI with Ollama on AWS, then GCP and Azure, then Ollama command line. Basically you have to play with models in terminal, then how to download and pull new models in OpenWebUI through Ollama, then how to run multiple models simultaneously, then LLM API integration, and last its conclusion. So these are some things which we'll cover in this course, and like this VM is just next level. You can play with pre-configured models. You have not download or you have not pull models simultaneously. Like uh, you have some pre-configured models like DSA, Llama. which are very famous models. If you go on Ollama, a minute, Ollama, so you can see some top models like if I click on models, so here you can see some models like DeepSeek Llama 3.3. So these are some models which we are come with this VM. So you can play with this models. You have not download. Simply you have to do one click. You have to first set up a VM on any choice, any cloud platform of your choice, and you can good to go for like using this models and this VM. So this is all about the course overview and objectives, like what we will cover in this course. So basically our next lecture is overview of Open-WebUI. Like we will explain what is Open-WebUI, like how you can play with Open-WebUI. So that's all about this lecture. I hope you guys like this lecture. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, and also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and blogs page. So yep, bye bye. We'll meet in next video.